Hey neighbor, I'm here to help guide you through placing your first order with Kroger Hometown Pickup. Visit Kroger.com/hometown to start your online order. Enter your zip code and select the Hometown Pickup site for your location. Build your cart, including all your fresh favorites. During checkout, select the time slot that is most convenient for you. We drive your groceries to your pickup location and load them in your vehicle. And that's it. Thank you for using Kroger Hometown Pickup. We'll see you soon.